Welcome back to week 2, building your story with the basics down. This week is about adding layers to our edit. We'll work with titles, transitions, and the fundamentals of audio to make our video more engaging. Final Cut Pro for Beginners, a 30-day foundational video series. Day 8. A video isn't always complete without text. Whether it's an opening title or a name on screen, adding text is an essential skill. Let's learn how to do it in Final Cut Pro in under 3 minutes. To find all of Final Cut Pro's built-in titles, click the Titles and Generator sidebar icon in the top left corner. There are many fancy options here, but for now, let's find the basic title. It's usually in the built-in category. To add it to your video, just click and drag it onto your timeline. Place it above the video clip where you want the text to appear. To change the text, make sure the title clip is selected in the timeline. Now, double-click the text in the viewer window and type whatever you want. You can change the length of the title just like a video clip. Simply drag the edges in the timeline to make it appear on screen for a shorter or longer time. You've added your first title. But what if you want to change the font, color, or size? That's all done in the inspector, and we'll cover exactly how to do that in the next video. Like and subscribe so you don't miss day 9.